What's up, guys? Average Tech Guy here, and today we are back with more tech and more reviews. And this time, we're going to be looking at the all-new Google Pixel 4a. Is this the budget phone for you? Let's check it out. So I just was able to get this phone in. Now, I cannot give you a full review. That's going to come about a week later or so. I'm going to basically put my SIM card in here. I'm going to run this phone for about a week, just using it in my day-to-day life, snapping pictures, taking videos, taking notes, just on Instagram, Facebook, just letting you know what the user experience is. And also, I'll probably make a few phone calls. Most people don't tell you about the phone call quality when they do these phone videos. After all, they are phones, right? They are phones, right? Either way, I'm going to give you the full breakdown of this phone in about a week or so. But today, I'm just giving you my first impressions, what I'm seeing right out of the box. So if you notice in this box, you're going to just get the basics. You're going to get the phone itself. You're going to get basically the instructions and whatnot. So you're going to get your USB Type-C to C cable. You're also going to get your charging brick. Then you're going to get your OTG adapter, your on-the-go adapter, which is USB-A to USB Type-C. Now, this can be used to transfer data to this phone, or it can be used to transfer your data from one phone to this phone via that adapter. So what are some of the highlights about this phone? Well, first off, this is a budget beast. Now, when I say budget beast, I'm just meaning for the camera that's on here, I've taken a few photos already. For the camera that is on here, this is a great price for everything that you get in this package. It comes with a 5.8-inch Full HD OLED screen. You got 443 PPI with HDR support. 3,140 milliamp hour battery. That's going to give you all day battery life, guys. And that's what Google is claiming. I'm going to check it out. I'm going to let you guys know. I'll report back and let you know exactly what the battery life on this thing is going to be like and if it's going to last you a full day. You get a polycarbonate backing, which is basically a plastic backing, with Corning Glass 3 up front. You get 6 gigs of RAM, 128 gigabytes built right into it. There's no expandable memory in this one, so what you see is what you get. 128 on board. That's going to be good enough for the average consumer. 12 megapixel dual pixel rear camera and an 8 megapixel front facing camera with wide angle. And then some of the modes that you're going to get on the camera are going to be something such as night sight. You're going to get portrait mode, you get your standard video mode, and you got all different types of effects that you can put into these videos and photos however you would like. Now that I've gotten all of those specs out of the way, because most people are going to ask those things up front, and I'm not big on specs, I just want to make sure that this device is going to work as described, and that this thing is going to be affordable. And as I can see right now, it feels good, it looks good, the speakers sound pretty good, and this thing still has a dedicated headphone jack, which most people don't use, but I'm still a fan of the headphone jack. I mean, sometimes when I'm just hanging around in the studio, doing my thing, kicking it, I throw the headphone jack in, put the phone in my pocket, and I'm good to go. Phone is very lightweight. Now, I can say that this thing is small. It has a very small footprint. I am used to the Note 10. That's what I've been using since last year this time, and it's a big difference. It's a big difference in what I'm using. But what I want you guys to know is that even though it feels light, it doesn't feel cheap. It doesn't feel like I can just break it. I mean, we leave that kind of stuff to Jerry Rig to test all that stuff out. But right here, we're just trying to make sure that it's comfortable in the hand. It fits well, looks good, and it only comes in this one color. So just black. And they really mean it. Just black. There's no orange, no white, nothing this time. Just black. So as mentioned, I can't give you a full honest review until I actually use this thing for about a week. And like I said, it just came in today. I'm going to be using it all week long. I'm putting my SIM card in it. Matter of fact, I'm doing that right now, putting my SIM card in. I'm going to be making phone calls. I'm going to be testing this thing. I'm going to connect it to my Verizon network, the most expensive network in the world ever to exist that I really don't like too much. But Either way, I'm going to test it out for you guys and let you know exactly if this thing is going to be for you. And I think at that $350 price range, I know it's a lot of other devices out there that are budget friendly right now. But this one, I think, is going to get the attention of a lot of people just because of that camera on there. Like I said, meet me back here next week, same time. I'm going to do another video letting you guys know how much I like this thing or how much I don't like it and what I do like or what I don't like about it. Until next time, hopefully this has been able to help someone out. Be sure and give me that thumbs up. Please subscribe. Average Tech Guy out. Peace.